Welcome to our online class. So I'd like to continue with my last class. Due to some technicalities, I could not show you the example, second example of that carry zero on this subtraction using method of two complements. So I'll just be solving that one and completing it. So we know the first method is that we have to just put the equal digits. First step is that number 1 is this number. Number 2 is this number. Now, if the digits are equal, we don't need to do anything. Okay. So after that, we have to make it into two complements. So to make two complements, we have to take this number and we have to change into the first complement first. Okay. So I'll just be changing this 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1. So 0, 0, second complement, okay, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1. Okay. Now again I have to put it in to make it two complement. This is the first complement of this number. To make it two complement, I have to add 1. So when I add 1, 1 plus 1 is 10, 1 carry over, 10, then 1, 0, 0. Okay. So 0, 0, 1, 1, 0. Now this is the sum. So we do not have any carry over here. So I need to convert this again into the first complement. So another step is that I need to convert this into, I need to add this one and this one needs to be added. So I just have to add in another step. So I have given you the step in the last class. I just need to add this and I'd see whether I'll get the carryover or not. So this is 0, 1, 1, 10, 1 carryover, 1, 1, 0, 1 and 1. So 1, 0, 1, 1, 0, 0. So this is the sum of this and the second complement. Now here I am not getting the carryover. I am getting the carryover at 0. Now what you have to do, I have to give the two complement. So the carryover is 0. Since the carryover is 0, so the result is negative. Now how do you get, what I have to do to make it negative? So I just have to add, the sum is, whatever sum I have got, that is 1, 1, 1, second two zeros, and I just have to make this into the first complement. So if I make this first complement, it will be 1, 1, 0, 0, 0. Then I have to make it as second complement by adding 1. 1 plus 1, 1 is the carryover, 1, 1, then 0, 0. So final answer is minus 100 to the base 2. So we have to make this treatment of carryover is that we have to give the second complement if the carryover is 0. So this is the continuation of the last part. I have also given you these things in your PDF. I hope you have got that PDF. If you have not got, I'll be sending it. So you can just go through and consult your PDF note which I have sent to you all. Okay. Now today I'll just show you the examples of multiplication and division. So binary multiplication is similar to the decimal multiplications, but still I just want you to show one demonstration. Okay. Example I will solve over here. Okay, so today we will be doing this binary multiplication and division also. So binary multiplication. It's same as decimal multiplication, but you have to follow the rule of binary addition and subtraction. Okay. Okay. So let me take one example from the book. So example number 1, 111 0 111. 111 0 111. Okay. Multiplied by. It's same as the decimal multiplication. So I hope you must be knowing the decimal multiplication. So it's written binary, but we have to follow the same. So it's not necessary to give, but still I need to give. So you know this. So all nothing, 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 nothing. 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7. Okay, now 1, 1 ones are 2, 3, 0, 1, 1, 1. Now, just I want to show you the demonstration on addition only. Okay. So likewise in decimal multiplication we have to do, but while adding you have to follow the binary. You can't write 1 is 1 0. Okay, 1 plus 1 2. You can't write that. You have to follow the binary addition rule. So 0 is 0, 1 is 1, 1 plus 1 is 10. So 1 plus 1 1 is 11. 1 is here. 1 plus 1 is 10. Again 1. 1 plus 1 is 10. Again 1. Again 1 plus 1 is 1. Then 1 plus 1 is 10. Let me see. 1 0 1 1 0 0 1 0 0 1. So this is the simple binary multiplication. So it's simple. I just want you to emphasize. I am emphasizing it because when you are doing the addition, you just have to consider the binary addition. Okay. Now the next one, binary division will do. Just example, here also we will be following the same way. So binary division. Binary division I have to do. So example, let me give the example. 1 1 0 1 1 to the base 11. Okay. So same as decimal division. So divide 1 0 1 1 0 1 1 1 1 0 1 1 to the base. Okay. So you have to divide it by 11. So in the same like decimal only, you just have to do 11 ones are. Okay, I'll just write the answer here. 11 ones are 11. Likewise, you have to do. So 0. Then this 0 0 0 is coming. Now it will not go. 11 nothing nothing. 0. Then I have to bring this 1. 0 1. Then 11 nothing nothing. Then 1. Then I just have to bring this 1. 11 ones are 11. So here this is the thing. So quotient is 1 0 and the remainder is how much? Remainder is nothing. 11 ones are 11. Sorry, 11 ones are 11. That is nothing. So remainder is nothing. So this is the binary division, same as the decimal multiplication and division. So these are some of the binary arithmetic which we have learned in these sessions. In this session we have learned about the binary addition, binary subtraction. Three methods we have learned. One is the borrowed method, another was one complement method, another was second complement method, and binary multiplication and division. Okay, so we will be doing other arithmetic like hexadecimal, octal arithmetic, hexadecimal arithmetic, and so on in our next class. Thank you.